What's up, guys? Trey here with TrizzTech&Electronix. It's been a couple days now since OS X Mountain Lion has released for the Mac operating systems, desktops, laptops, whatever. The personal computers from Macintosh have now been upgraded to Mountain Lion. As you can see here, we will click here, what about this Mac, and it says version 10.8, which is Mountain Lion. So my personal opinions into Mountain Lion so far are as follows. I really do like the operating system. I don't necessarily know if it's a whole lot different than the previous OS Lion, but there are certain things that I do like. Personally, if you are an integrated Apple/Mac owner, that you have iPads, iPhones, Apple TVs, those type of things, then I say it's a no-brainer to upgrade to OS Mountain Lion. The reason why I say so is because there's just so much integration between the iOS devices. That's something that they tried to work with really hard here in OS 10.8, and I mean, you've got AirPlay now from Mountain Lion. I'm sure you guys have seen most of this on YouTube and the internet so far, so you guys probably already know the basic concepts and ideas of Mountain Lion. If you're still on the fence about getting it or whatever, I'm just going to show you a little bit of refresher onto my favorite aspects of it. You know, you got AirPlay now, as I said, which is cool. You just click this. You can click the Apple TV. I will probably do another quick video here in the next day or two showing you exactly how this works. You basically already know it if you watched my Apple TV video originally. I showed you, I did some AirPlay from my iPad to the Apple TV. It's basically the same concept. It's really nice for me because I always let my girlfriend watch my videos before they go live on YouTube. So I always got to call her into my office and let her watch them on my Thunderbolt display or whatever. It's cool now because I can just push it to the Apple TV in the living room and she can watch it, you know, while she's carrying on about her business, and I don't have to come out of my office. We don't have to do anything. Really cool concept. Another thing that I really like is the notification center, which is over here on the side. I really like it, but it's really cool. Like, there's a lot of things that can go to this. Really neat. And talking about the notification center, I found a third-party application. It's called Hiss. Right here, as you can see in my downloads, and it's right up here on the top. You see here, you click Preferences, and it says, Hiss is started. Growl notifications will now be forwarded to Notification Center. So as you guys know, before the Notification Center was there, they came out with an application called Growl, where it would put all of your notifications of things that notify you, mail, Twitter, whatever, and it would put them all in one spot to notify you from Growl itself. Well, now if you alert Growl in applications such as Twitter for Mac, since it is not integrated to the notification center yet, I'm sure it will be in the next update, but right now if you have Twitter set in your notification bar, it will show you tweets that come to you, but when you click on them, it will take you to Twitter on, like, you know, twitter.com instead of going to the Mac app, which I'm sure that will change soon. Well, if you set your notifications, if you go in here, you right click on the Twitter application and you go into Preferences, it brings up notifications. If you set notifications to Growl, then it will run through Hiss and then will be pushed to your notification bar, which is a pretty cool concept. I think it's pretty neat. I will say that it's not super reliable though. I did have, you know, I tested it out having my girlfriend tweet at me and whatnot. It definitely took a little bit for it to pick it up. It picked up most of them. Some of them slipped through the cracks, which I kind of expected to happen. But anyway, that's, you know, a lot of my favorite deals. There's also things from Safari. Here from the little cloud button, you can check to see what you are browsing on Safari from your iPad or iPhone or iOS device, which is really cool. So if you're browsing something on your phone or iPad, you want to move to your desktop, you just leave it there. You can click it here and pick it up from where you left off. Problem is, if you are running iOS 5.1.1, that feature is not available yet. If you're using a dev version of iOS 6, you can use it already. So in October comes around and they upgrade legitimately to iOS 6, this feature will be used a lot better. Another feature that they added into Safari is the share button. Now, so you can click on this when you're on a website. You can either share it to iMessage, which is another thing we'll talk about in a minute, or Twitter. As for Messages, that's right. You can now have iMessage on your Mac, which is pretty cool if you're working like I do. I just push all my messages to here so that I don't have any problems, and I turn messages off on iMessage off on my iPad or iPhone and just have them pushed to my computer. You can respond a lot faster. Things happen much easier. It's really cool. Now, the last concept that I really want to talk about is iCloud. iCloud has done a lot, as you saw, Cloud from Safari, but you can do so much stuff through iCloud now. It integrates all of your files, get condensed from your Mac to your iPad to your iPhone. It's just made iOS and Apple devices just so user-friendly. You can access anything from any of them. Nothing really gets left behind anymore. I really, really like it. Super cool concept. Back to my opinions, I would definitely say that if you are a current Mac user, Apple user, and you use iPads and iPhones or whatever for work or media streaming or content, whatever, I would definitely upgrade to Mountain Lion. If you don't want to spend the $20, which is what it is, it's $19.99 in the App Store, in the Mac App Store. If you don't feel like spending $20, well, then don't. Lion is definitely a good operating system. And especially if you are not just a Mac user on the computer, you don't have Apple TVs or any iOS devices, then there's not a whole lot of reason to update. But if you are an iOS user, then that's a no-brainer, definitely update. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little episode of In Opinion, the OS Mountain Lion special. I really hope that this was fun. If it was, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.